You guys, I hope you can notice that my quality is a lot better. I'm filming on a brand new camera. My old camera was actually not that old, but I dropped it multiple times and it would not focus anymore. It had this slight buzz to it, and every time I edited and uploaded a video for the past like 3 or 4 videos, I've just cringed at the quality. So I'm hoping this is better. I'm still learning this thing. I mean, right now I'm looking at my viewfinder and there's all of these things happening that didn't used to happen on my other one. So we're gonna figure this out together. So far, I think we're doing okay. And also there's like a tracking on my eye. So there's like a square. I look like a robot in the viewfinder. Anyways, you guys, hello. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new here. My name's Courtney. I love all things DIY, thrifting, organizing, and putting that all together to help you love your home. And so I need to do that. I don't have you seeing everything, but you can see a little bit that it's a little bit chaotic in here. Right behind me is our pantry / laundry room. And I went ahead and put up some drywall because we had a plumber come. He cut the wall 3 times to find out where he could put the plumbing because he hit stone because 2 of these walls go to the outside, so he couldn't drill down. So we had to use a different wall, and then I had to patch those walls, but then we also had someone come for a dryer vent and electrical. I had no idea that putting in a washer dryer required 3 different technicians, but it did, and we got it done. I put the drywall up. I'm not going to show you all of it because I'm still learning. There's many areas where I'm still learning, and I didn't want you to see this as like a how-to video because it's going to be covered by a washing machine and a dryer, so I wasn't too worried about it, to be honest. Obviously, I did the best that I possibly could, but it looks not perfect. But I will say the walls themselves don't look perfect. Whoever put those walls up, because this was an add-on to the kitchen at some point, they didn't do the best job either. So anyways, we're just gonna hide it with some pretty things and some not so pretty things, but some much needed, you know, appliances. All that being said, the walls are now ready for me to paint them and we can put our washer dryer in. We've been living here for a week now without a washer dryer, and it has been fun. God bless my mother, who's been going back and forth to her old home before it is officially closed and doing our laundry, but it closes this week, so we need to get this thing in here. So unfortunately, this pantry door is a little bit smaller than a standard width door, so the washer dryer are just about 3 inches too large to fit through. So what I'm hoping is that if we take off the door frame, we're gonna gain several inches and I don't have to cut into the wall. If I have to cut into the wall, it's what I have to do, but it would go a lot smoother if I didn't have to. So I just want to make sure that these fit in before I paint and I have to patch anything, because if I do have to cut the wall, then I would be having to fix stuff up. So anyways, we're gonna do that now. Say a prayer for me, you guys. I'm a little bit nervous, but I'm also very excited because once these go in, then I can paint, and then we're gonna switch. So we're gonna put the laundry in and we're gonna switch over to the pantry, and I have a beautiful vision board that I'll share now with you guys. If you don't follow me on Instagram or Facebook, actually, I've already shared them there. I have a growing Facebook channel, so if any of you are following from there, hello and welcome. I just love the shelves, I love the beadboard, and then also the shelf with the curtain. I just think it looks so pretty. And then long-term goal would be to do antique doors here. I think that would look gorgeous and beautiful, but you know, again, we're gonna take our time here and see where we get today. Basically, goals are get the laundry in, get the walls painted, and then we can get started on the laundry, which is so exciting. So let me stop talking because I always talk way too long and I need to not, but I love talking to you guys. It's my favorite thing ever. So when you guys leave comments down below, honestly, it just makes my day and it warms my heart. So please leave a comment, even if it's completely unrelated to this video. And make sure you're subscribed if you aren't already, because we are making over our 118-year-old home, starting in the kitchen. Starting in somewhere so necessary, because I'll show you guys, but like my table's a mess, my kitchen's a mess. We have tried to decorate for Christmas in the midst of all this. And then I've got this huge shelf of just like pantry food beside me that needs to get in here. So let's go ahead and see if we can take down this wall. Okay, I'm gonna start by taking off the door. Prayers for that. Easy enough. Hopefully the rest goes that smoothly. Anybody need a door? We are 1 inch short. So I think I need to take the trim off.
this. Yeah, baby.
Half an inch. Can we take this off? Can we take that off?
Nice. Just nail it back in.
It's like there's no screw holding it in. Yeah. Yay!
Oh, yay! That's strange.
It's so good.
Strange. Oh.
Okay, so we got the first shelf in. This is the one that I'm gonna be staining. And then I'm doing a second shelf underneath. There's gonna be a curtain rod. It's gonna be beautiful. I'm so excited. I can tell by the sound of my voice. And now for the upper shelves, I'm gonna be using these beautiful corbels. They only hold 5 pounds of weight, so I will be adding an extra board between them for support. And we're gonna have the beadboard as well. So these will go on either end of the pantry with the board in the middle, the beadboard, and then we're gonna do 3 shelves because I want to use as much storage as possible. It can't just be pretty. It has to be functional and beautiful. So we're gonna go ahead and install these, get the, no wait, do we do the beadboard first? I think I do the beadboard first. Oh! Okay, you guys, the shelves are looking so good, and it took everything in me last night to not caulk them already because I love them so much. I actually love the look of the white with the raw wood, but I will be painting everything. But for like 2 seconds, I was like, should I leave them? But the wood isn't like the best quality. It's a little bit dirty, and I think if it was a higher quality, I might consider just sealing them. But now we're gonna go with the caulk. So I just like to use the DAP Alex Fast Dry. It dries in like 30 minutes, and then we'll be ready for paint. And honestly, you guys, this is what makes the difference between DIY and custom built looking. Honestly, it just fills in all those cracks and crevices, and it's gonna make this look so much sleeker. I promise you the difference is insane and well worth the minimal effort that it takes. So all you're gonna need is your caulk and a caulking gun, and we're ready to get to work. Okay, there's no going back. I'm gonna paint. I'm going in with my favorite paint, alabaster paint, just a satin finish. And let's go ahead and paint these beadboards and these shelves, and I'm using a dollar store paintbrush. Just find like a good-ish quality one, because then you can throw it away and the beadboard's gonna beat it up anyways, and then you don't have to cry about it. And that completes our pantry makeover, our first bit of beauty in this house, and I am so excited and so thrilled with how it turned out, and it just makes me excited for more projects. Not only is this pantry beautiful, but it is also functional, proving that the two can coexist. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I added those pegs on the boards I didn't show you, and this beautiful curtain, and I'm so happy it's vintage and has tiny roses. It is stunning and beautiful, and also, again, serves the dual purpose of doing function and form. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm excited to make over more spaces with you guys. Let me know in the comments down below what you would like to see next, although it will probably be the kitchen, which is very exciting. I can't wait to add some more beadboard there because I think it's my new favorite feature. Thank you guys as always. Make sure to give this video a like and subscribe if you aren't already, and I will see you next Sunday at 2 p.m.